During the late 1800s and early 1900s, frontier doctors were hard to come by in Brazoria, Texas. Female doctors in particular were rare until the day that Sophie Herzog came to town. Sophie had grown up in a family full of doctors, and so when she made the move to Brazoria to be with her daughter and son-in-law, she decided to practice medicine. The townspeople of Brazoria were of course thrilled when news came that a Dr. Herzog was coming to live in Brazoria, Texas, but were appalled when it came to light that Dr. Herzog was a woman like none other in the county. She wore her hair cut short like a man, wore men's clothing, and rode astride instead of side saddle. After a few heated arguments with her son-in-law about using his home to cure sick patients, Sophie quickly stated that she would find her own place, which she did. She became a hit with the townspeople. She treated young and old, black or white. Dr. Herzog was soon affectionately known only as Dr. Sophie from then on. But not only did she run a medical clinic, she was also the town's first librarian. She would loan her 200-odd-some books out to whoever wanted to read them, provided they brought them back. Dr. Sophie was also the first woman surgeon in Texas because of her legendary skills in removing bullets from gunshot victims. She had the highest record of surviving patients who were gunshot as well. She didn't lose a single one. As a way to celebrate this victory, she had a bullet necklace made, and it became her signature piece of jewelry. At this point in her life, Sophie was 65 years old and was the only female doctor in Brazoria County, and she decided that her horse-drawn buggy just wasn't cutting it, so she bought herself a car, a Ford. She also remarried a local plantation owner by the last name Huntington and moved to his home, thus she had to get a sturdier ride. Dr. Sophie also became involved with the railroads. She became the first female railroad doctor in the world. The railroads wanted her to stop because she was female, and they told her that since she was a woman, she wasn't fit to do the job. She fired back that the only way that they would get rid of her was if she was no longer able to do the job. Sophie stayed on until she had a stroke at the age of 78. After her stroke just before her 79th birthday, she was still treating her patients at her clinic. She died at the age of 79. She is still remembered in Brazoria as the fiery, strong-willed female frontier doctor. She became a local legend.